Whew. My fucking hands are numb. So yeah, it's like 33 degrees out right now, I think is what it said. Yeah, high 30s, not including the wind chill or, you know, being on a bike. And I'm fucking freezing. I did want to get a good ride in with this new shift link. I gotta say, I actually like it. There is a pretty noticeable difference in the smoothness of the shifting, thanks to, I'm assuming, the Heim joints on there. Yeah, it does feel a lot smoother. Didn't change the throw length or anything like that at all. It looks fucking cool, man. That's kind of the things I like. So I like gold things, and it's gold, so it works. I hope you enjoyed that footage. It's that's one of my favorite roads to ride on around here. It's a ton of fun. It's long, windy road with some good fast turns, as long as you don't hit a bunch of traffic like I did. But you can really take those turns at some speed and have a lot of fun doing it, and you feel good doing it, especially when you have, you know, a good front end like mine is and good rear suspension. The road's pretty freshly paved, so it's got good grip all throughout. Definitely one of my favorite roads to ride on, even when it's in the 30s and I'm fucking freezing and my hands were numb, and I even have good thick leather gloves and my hands were numb. And this thick wool lined Carhartt and I'm freezing my ass off. Yeah, so purpose-built motorsport, shift link. I like it, man, I really do. I'm not one to give like a false review or anything. I'm not sponsored by anybody by any means, so definitely honest. 59 bucks though, I mean, it is what it is. It's an accessory part. It's nothing for real, any performance other than, you know, it does feel better. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me freeze my ass off. I'm gonna go inside and get warm. See you guys next week.